over some tips and tricks for customizing the guest booking form, so you can get the most out of it for both you and your guests. ResBook boasts a beautifully designed, responsive booking form with many customizable options, from adding banners and logos to setting up credit card surcharges. You can do a huge range of things to streamline your customer booking journey and at the same time improve yield. Check out these 5 important tips to make the most of the critical part of ResBook. Tip 1. Customizing colors. To begin, let's talk about how you can put a personal touch on your booking form by picking your own colors. You can use this to make your booking form stand out from the competition, or to simply match your website theme to create a more cohesive booking experience. To edit your booking form's color, head to Settings, System Settings, Booking Forms, Guest Form, and click on Customize Booking Form button. This will provide you with a demo view of your booking form so that you can see how it will look as you alter your various color and font options. Here, you can edit colors such as button, link, and background colors. To do so, simply click on one of the color boxes at the top here and pick the color using the selector. You can also pick fonts for the heading and body text styles to better incorporate your personal touch to the booking form as well. Tip 2. Providing add-ons. Did you know you can increase yield by offering add-ons during the booking process? To set some up, simply head to Settings, Stock Configurations, Services. To create one, simply select a category or create a new one. Then fill out the detail below. To make the service show on the booking form, ensure you set it as bookable. On top of this, once it is saved, ensure you click on the name of the new service and add it to which rate periods you would like it bookable for. Tip 3. Adding images. Imagery is a great way to inspire guests as they book. In ResBook, you can add photos in multiple places throughout the booking process. Firstly, head to Settings. Click on Photo Gallery. This will access your photo gallery for all your options. Here you can navigate through the gallery to add your company logo, banner, room photos, as well as add on images. Make sure you add images for everything you can, as these images will be displayed on the booking form. Tip 4. Creating and adding additional fields. Want to learn more about your guest? By adding additional fields to your booking form, you can. Simply head to Settings, System Settings, Booking Forms. Here, you can decide on which fields show up for each of your booking forms. The manual form you see to place bookings into ResBook on behalf of guests. The agent booking form agents can use to book guests for you. And the guest booking form, where guests can book your property online. ResBook lists a range of standard fields that are useful for most properties. However, in the final section of the booking form, settings, you can add your own. If you head to additional fields, you can simply create your own questions, which will then be available to add to any of the booking forms. Simply enter the question name, select the type, and click on Save. After saving, ensure you add any properties if required. For example, the different options available in a drop-down. Tip 5. Credit card surcharges. You can add credit card surcharges to help offset the cost of using a payment provider. Simply head to Settings, Accounting and Financial. Here, you can select which card you offer, dependent on your WinCave account, and apply surcharges for them. A handy tip is that these surcharges will be added as services to the booking once the guest has booked, so you can keep track of all their payments in one place. Just make sure that you have created a service to keep track of your surcharges on your bookings. You can create a new service for this page directly should you need to create one. And that's 5 tips to help you create a great customer experience while booking online. We will see you next time.